All right, this is Chaotic Crypto. It's where we defy tyranny. We're getting that pullback I was talking about, kind of hoping for, and it's looking like it's certainly coming into fruition. Now, I guess there's a few questions, like how long is this thing going to last? What's to be expected? Really, I mean, from here, there's really no way to completely know. We are already pretty on the low end of the 4-hour. But at the very least, we're going to probably come retest this shoulder line from the breakout, which is about 21.5. Now, I really think it'd be best and for everything if we go down to the 19K, 19.5 or something like that and cover that CME gap. Basically, what's going on right now, there's a lot of like FUD in the news about like the government, the SEC banning everything and trying to go after staking. It's basically a big FUD event, fear, uncertainty, doubt. It's probably paid for by the government, honestly, or like whatever corporations and banks. They're trying to suppress the price. Maybe they get down. We could go lower too. I mean, we could go down to like 17 or 18K, and that'll still be a higher high on the macro. If we go below like 16 and 15 again, yeah, that'd be cause for concern. Very unlikely though. I think we're going to go down just enough to scare everybody, and then continue on probably in spring. But February will probably be a pretty red month. I mean, we had such a bullish January. I think December too. Well, maybe it's January, but it was so bullish that it's just having a bearish February and then a good pull, continuation into like April, May, and then probably a summer lull. That's just the traditional thing that kind of happens. But I certainly see that happening. So this is a good thing. Don't freak out. I would say this just gives us more time to accumulate into these good zones. It's probably your last chance to do so. You might get another chance in some kind of capitulation event later this year or next year, but very unlikely. More than likely, what's going to happen, like I've been saying, these wave counts and stuff will come up, come down, come up. Then maybe we do come down for another 21K retest, probably go to 18, 19, and something like that. We don't have forever to accumulate, and things might get pretty boring this summer if I had to guess. But on the weekly, the stochastic RSI, it needs to recharge, come all the way down here, and that's going to take some time. I think that's just the best thing, and that could be. Let's see how long it might take. February. I mean, that's just saying, March. Probably the next month or so is going to be red. So don't freak out about all that. Crypto Fear and Greed Index went back into the greed. We really want to see this come back to like 30, 20 maybe even would be nice. But, it's just, I was saying this would happen, and I just wanted to chime in and say it. And it's likely to continue. This is a what they call a bearish engulfing candle. The red candle took out all these other candles, and it's possible that it takes out this one. But you just look at the moving averages as to like where we might end up going. So this is the 19.8 area. Look at the weekly again. And basically the 200-week provided resistance, and that's going to be tough. Once we get above that, it's going to be kind of a bullish. Some bullish momentum coming more than likely. The 4-hour 200 is holding some kind of support. It likely will break. Also, something to notice, like when everyone's talking about like golden crosses and like the indicators are getting bullish, macro golden cross. That's great. Like on the macro, on the monthly and yearly, that's great. But a lot of the times what will happen is we get a golden cross on the larger time frames, like weekly and daily. But when that happens, you get a pullback. It's kind of like this counter thing. So they're lagging indicators as well. It's like it already happened. The bullishness already happened. It's just kind of a confirmation of that. So just a little food for thought. But everything's pulling back pretty good. Look at the total. We'll probably come back down to the 1 trillion level. Let's see if I can find the total. Total market cap. So we'll probably come down. That's the total, basically all the altcoins. We'll probably come back down to at least the 200. We don't have much data actually for the 200 week, but actually we're above the 200 week. That's really bullish. For this is the altcoins, so we got some more pain to go. I'm likely to come down here and kind of consolidate. So it's going to be another month or two of probably consolidation. So at least a retest of that, and that would be bullish. We come down, retest, bounce off that 200 week. Bullish, bullish, bullish. This is all a blessing, really. This is like great. This is a second chance to accumulate for the next couple weeks. And then it's possible that we only stay in the zone for a few days and then go back up. But the way the news is looking, the way everything is kind of, you can almost tell everything is being, what's the word, I guess, propped up for a certain event. Let's see. I wanted to find the total. There it is. So total market cap. Yeah, crypto total market cap. So actually, this is interesting. So the total market cap is on the 200 week SMA. Wow, I didn't know we broke above that. I thought we were below it. Still providing resistance. No, that's actually really bullish. Now, I don't know if this includes stable coins, but I just think like this is interesting in the way that whatever is in the crypto sphere, that money is just going to be moved around, probably into stables, into other alts. Like, we're not going to lose. I don't think we're going to lose this level. If we do, it's very brief. That's really bullish. That's really bullish. No one looks at this total market cap. Like, everyone's talking about BTC this, BTC that. No, like, look at the whole fucking thing. Like, look at everything. It's all connected. It's not just BTC anymore. It's everything. And this is the chart that people should be looking at more than anything. It's just actually pretty aggravating that no one looks at it more, but at the same time, it gives you an advantage if you're the one looking at it. And following my channel, by the way, click like and subscribe, leave a comment, please. Tell your friends. I'm trying to bring some good alpha here. I'm not getting paid for this. I work a full-time job. And this is just me babbling and looking at the charts and trying to make things make sense. I'm just thinking of what happened on the news today, and there's just a lot of FUD going around. SEC, Gary Gensler should step down or get fired, honestly. Let's see, crypto. This is the total market cap minus Bitcoin, so there's still some downside to go right there. Very likely will come down here and hold support. So there's more blood to be had, but I don't think it's going to be this terrible event. It'd be great if we get that wick down to 19K and take out that CME gap and back up to the races in the spring. This is just going to be a big shakeout. So, at least in my opinion, if we get back down lower, wonderful, wonderful. I mean, I was looking at the open interest, and it's not exhausted really yet. But if we get another pullback down, great. Doesn't look too bad though. All right, the crypto bubbles probably will not look very good. GRT is still up like crazy because it ran so hard. AGIX. Which one was that called? Singularity. I really want to pick some of that up. So the thing is, like, this you cannot get on Coinbase. The only way to get this is through other exchanges, and I don't think it's going to be crypto.com. I think KuCoin might have it, but really your best bet might be MetaMask. Connect your MetaMask account and then use your Ethereum or whatever to buy other coins. And that's the decentralized exchange through Uniswap. So you get MetaMask, and then you connect that to the website Uniswap, and that's how you can. It's a decentralized exchange. So pretty cool stuff. I definitely want to buy some of that, but yeah, the things are getting hit pretty hard. Phantom got hit real hard. DYDX. I mean, if you're looking to entries on some of these good projects, Phantom in particular, I think that's at a good accumulation area. Yeah, it's just retesting. And it could go lower for sure. See what else got slaughtered like that. DYDX might be a good one. GMX might be a good one. Both decentralized exchanges. That is the narrative. The recent narrative has been AI coins, artificial intelligence coins. That's kind of so hyped real quick, so that might be a real big correction with all that coming up. And there's certainly a use case to be found with it, but Near Protocol, Mana, it's another DEX gaming token, metaverse token. Rune has Thorchain. I'm just trying to find. Oh yeah, Uniswap. That's probably a good one to get on top of. Aave as well. Anyways, I don't know if I have anything else much more to say. I just wanted to confirm that we are getting a pullback, and we're probably getting a little more blood than this. But we're in the 21K range, and let's see. Actually, oh jeez. Yeah, I mean, honestly, let's go to this chart. Yeah, so I stretched out the Fibonacci. So right now we're probably getting ready. Let's say minimally we're going to test the 38. That's a 21.3. And it's 0.318 is just so rarely hit. 0.5 is kind of rare. 0.618 is the most common. And then sometimes that'll fail and freaking run out even more and go down to 18. So yeah, it could get kind of ugly here for a minute, but don't worry, don't fret. We'll come. It'll come back. It will come back. It just might take a little bit more time. I'm gonna try to readjust this a tad, but it's probably going to do something like that. Okay. But yeah, that's it for me today. I might try to do some more deep dives on other coins. Look at Zilliqa's down 10% for the week. Tezos down 10%. These are really good entries, I would say. VE Chain never really ran. Oh yeah, some of the blockchain stocks, Riot, Hive, and Mara. Those are the big ones. They're down. They actually trade kind of like crypto. They're just as volatile. They were down 80 and 90% during the bear market here. Let's see. Just trying to see another good ones to look at. Algorand, Near Protocol, Gala. Yeah. But we'll see what happens. I'll check back in if anything drastic happens. I just keep pushing forward. This year's going to be much better than last year. We get some dips. They're probably going to be good accumulation zones. All right. We'll catch you later. Peace.